Hello, writer. I'm Jessica Sittimer, and I am a writer. And I'm here because I've been searching YouTube for something that I couldn't find. So I'm creating it. Basically, I have been writing since I was a kid. And writers are all kinds of people. Maybe you write in a journal, maybe you write screenplays, maybe you write books. Whatever it is, you need to be in the chair every day writing. That could be challenging. You might have writer's block. You might not be working on a particular project. So I've decided that I'm going to create some prompts for you on the daily. Things that are going to shake up your writing a little bit, shake up your thought process, and get you feeling creative again. And I'm also going to share some of my greatest tips for helping you create an environment that you'll love and you'll want to be writing in. I have a little closet in my back where I write in my closet. It's my little getaway. I learned that from Stephen King. And that's another great idea for you. Listen to other successful writers. Listen to their books on CD. I'll be at the gym and I'll learn something. I'll get an idea. Yesterday, I was listening to something and he said, whenever a good book starts, they start it with a gun and you know that gun is coming back. And that's what got me thinking about prompts. I wanted a prompt like that would make me think differently about how I was writing. So I'm glad you're here. I look forward to sharing prompts with you, but I want this to be interactive. I want to read a little bit about what you write with these prompts. So from now on, when you see these videos, I want you to share them with your friends who are also writers. I want you to like them, and I want you to comment in the comments a line or two that you wrote from something from that prompt. I'm so excited. I'm going to be on this journey with you too. I'm in the middle of writing a book right now, and this is really helping me. So I hope it helps you as much as it's helping me. And I really look forward to getting to know you and creating an amazing community of writers who are completely stimulated, a little unraveled, and having a lot of fun writing. And definitely, I want to be friends. Let's get social. Find me on Facebook, find me on Instagram, find me on TikTok, find me on LinkedIn. Wherever is new, find me. I will be there.